Welcome to my cutie hub. And I'm your lovely and I'm going to discuss here about few English words. So let's get started. Are you excited to learn more? Today's session I'm going to discuss about time. Time has different names too. Like how, in what way? Let's get started to know in detail to try to answer, try to practice more by using in your day-to-day lifestyle. So we just know the words right now. Are you excited? Then let's get started. In prison, we say time has its sentence. In office, we call it as its shift. In movies, we say time has its duration. In exams, the time call it as its limit. In travel, we call time has its journey time. Go to hospital, example, then the time is called its waiting time. Sports, the time is called its half time or full time. Cooking, for cooking and time we call it as in baking time or boiling time. Life, in life we say its age. In history we can call it as its era. Its era. Science, in science the time is called reaction time. It's reaction time. Appointments, it's slots. Daily life, it's routine. In business, it's deadline. But not least, in music, we call it as tempo related to significance of time to pronounce. Hope you like this video and thank you. Thanks for watching and daily appreciate your talent to learn something new every day. Learn with me and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.